this little boy. Look at that little girl. Oh, Saki.
Dad, I passed 48.
Look at these pretty puppies right here. Oh, look at these little babies. Oh, this baby. He's learning how to howl. Oh, look at the little baby. Come here, baby. Oh, look at that baby. He was howling. Oh, look at that little girl. Come here, little baby. Oh, he's a howling baby. He's crying for mommy. Oh, look at him. Oh, these babies. They're learning how to howl. They're trying to eat, Saki. White baby boy, where you at? Come here, little white baby. Come here, white boy. Come here, white boy. Hey, one of the dogs is scratching the door. Oh, look at the baby. Yeah, I see him. Bring him over here to the grass. Oh, look at that baby. He crying. Oh, look at that boy. Oh. Go check on the inside the house. Go in there then.
She's scratching at the front door.
Oh, look at these babies. Yeah, she's just gonna keep doing it. She's trying to take care of the puppies. Lay down, Saki. The baby want her. Oh, they want you to sit down. He said, Mommy, keep running away. There's Mommy right there. Oh, look at these babies. Okay, I'm showing them how these pretty babies howling.
Can you pause?
Mm-mm. Oh, look at them. They're getting milk. See? They wanted Mommy. Lay down, Saki. Come on, you want me to help you lay down? There we go. Good girl. Good girl, Saki. Good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, look at them big babies. They're getting big. I'm getting some big babies. Let me see them.
Hey, Dad, when you make...
We got two girls. And they the lighter ones. The dark one is the boy. And the white one is the boy. So we got two girls and two boys.